Hello, whilst you can change the field descriptions or titles directly in the designer, let's assume that you have already done this via Excel. For your table, the Excel worksheet should have two columns, field and description. In the designer, you then need to select the table these descriptions relate to. Once the fields are loaded, you can then import the Excel file to the designer. Select the Field Descriptions Excel Importer button and select your file with the two columns. The column names should be field and description. Notice the current title column in the table. The listed descriptions there will change once the import is complete. As the changes are currently in memory, you will need to persist these to the database for your table in the designer. To be able to do that, we need to indicate the primary field, the auto increment field, if necessary, and the display field. We will activate the switches mode so that we can indicate this. From the listed fields, we indicate which one is the primary key, auto increment, and display field. We can also indicate other attributes like form visibility, hide details, etc. We can then save the details so that we can use them later to convert the database schema to a data table and relevant input controls.